if the screen cable have no problem, we should check the HDMI board. The HDMI board inside under the cooling board. So the first thing we should remove the cooling board, and the first thing we should remove the screws of 4 corners. And we should remove this screen cable, and then lift up the cooling board. And this is LED board. There are 4 screws in the 4 corners, so we should remove the 4 screws. And then remove this and lift up the LED board. So as you can see, this board is LED. No, it's HDMI board. So we should check the HDMI board works well. We should power on the machine. And if here red light, if this light turns red, the HDMI board must have no problem. It can work well.